Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a RAM 2500 key fob. First, gather all your existing working key fobs and the new one you wish to program. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. This self-programming method typically requires you to have at least one previously programmed key to begin the process successfully. To begin, insert an already programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Next, press and hold the unlock button on that working remote for a duration of 4 to 10 seconds. This action is the first step in signaling your vehicle to enter its key fob programming mode. While still holding the unlock button, press and release the panic button on the same remote for 1 second. Then, release both buttons simultaneously. You should hear a chime indicating your vehicle has entered programming mode. Within 30 seconds, press the unlock button on your new key fob to program it. A second chime will sound, confirming that your new key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have any additional unprogrammed key fobs, simply repeat the previous step for each one within the 30-second window. Finally, turn the ignition to OFF and test all functions of your newly programmed key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.